Good morning, everybody. Today, we're going to discuss key practices for quality management. So let's start with customer focus. Customer focus might be the most important principle of quality management. In Japanese, the single word okyakusama means both customer and honorable guest. Customer focus, a world-class organization are obsessed with meeting and exceeding customer expectations. Many organizations such as Rich, Carlton, Hotel Company, Disney, and Toyota's Lexus division were built on the notion of satisfying the customer. The customer is the ultimate judge of the quality of goods and services, and has been eloquently stated, without customers, you don't have a business. So there are 6 key customer focus practices for quality management. So let's start with number 1. Identify the most important customer groups and markets. Understand the linkages between the voice of the customer and design processes and use of the bias of the customer information. Number 3. Understand both near-term and longer-term customer needs and expectations. Number 4. Create an organizational culture which consistently possesses positive customer experience and feedback. Number 5. Manage customer relationship that builds loyalty, enhance satisfaction and engagement, and lead to the acquisition of new customers. And the last, number 6. Measure customer satisfaction, engagement, and dissatisfaction. Compare the results relative to competitors and industry benchmarks. Customer satisfaction. It is the result of delivering a product or service that meets customer requirements. A customer's satisfaction is also vital to keeping customers and growing a business. And it drives profitability. The typical company gets 65% of its business from existing customers, and it costs 5 times more to find a new customer than to keep an existing one happy. So, customer engagement refers to customer investment in or commitment to a brand and product offerings. A customer engagement is an important outcome of a customer-focused culture in the organization's listening, learning, and performance excellence strategy. Customer engagement. So, there are 3 characteristics of customer engagement. So, we have customer retention and loyalty, customer willingness to make an effort to do business with the organization, customers' willingness to actively advocate for and recommend the brand and product offerings. 8 quality dimensions of goods and services according to David A. Garvin are: number 1, performance products primary operating characteristics. Number 2, reliability, the probability of a product surviving over a specified period of time under stated conditions of use. Conformance, it is the degree to which physical and performance characteristics of a product match pre-established standards. And features, it is the bells and whistles of a product. Number 5 is the durability, the amount of use one gets from a product before it physically deteriorates or until replacement is preferable. Experience, it is the attitude and tone of response, such as courtesy of a dealer. Customer feedback or service ability, it is the speed, courtesy, and competence of repair work. And aesthetic, it is how a product looks, feels, sounds, tastes, or sells. Customer requirement is expressed in the customer's own terms are called as the voice of the customer. Customer loyalty. Loyalty means satisfaction is different from loyalty. So, commonly used factor to measure customer loyalty are: number 1, overall satisfaction. Number 2, likelihood of a first-time purchaser to repurchase. Number 3, likelihood to recommend. Number 4, likelihood to continue purchasing the same products or services. And number 5, likelihood to purchase different products or services. And that's the end of our lesson. on customer focus. I hope you understand our lesson today. Bye-bye!